Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 keeps crashing. First, make sure Windows and all drivers are fully updated. Press the Windows key and open Settings. Go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Install everything you see, then restart your PC. After that, update your drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Look for devices with warning signs. You can also update display, chipset, and network drivers from the official manufacturer's website. Old drivers are one of the main reasons Windows crashes. Next, we will scan and repair system files. Press Windows, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Type fc/scano and press Enter. Wait until the scan finishes. This fixes deeper system corruption that can cause crashes. Now check your system for malware. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and run a full scan. Malware can damage system files and make Windows unstable, so this step is very important. After that, disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Disable apps you do not need when Windows starts, such as launchers or background tools. Too many startup apps can overload your system and cause crashes. After everything is done, restart your PC. Finally, check for overheating. If your PC gets very hot, Windows may crash to protect the hardware. Make sure your fans are working, clean dust from vents, and avoid blocking airflow. Thanks for watching.